In this world, everyone has desires. The desire to love, achieve, be loved, and even to be hated. From desire comes want. Most people want to be respected, revered, and wanted. The source of all emotional pain comes from desire. And in this world, there are many ways to achieve what you desire. You can attract anything in this life by how you think and how you work. The law of attraction has existed since the dawn of man, a fundamental rule of reality. Disclaimer: the Yaadsman is primarily a God-fearing organization, and this in no way violates our beliefs in Christ and the Most High. The law of attraction is a philosophy created to understand how man shapes their environment, not a religious doctrine. Man shapes their environment primarily by thought and action. For as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Imagine the design for the device you are viewing this video on was once a thought in someone's mind. The clothes you wear was once a design in a designer's head. The design for every environment, building, bridge, technology, and even this video was once a thought. But by thoughtful action, thought was made real. This is what is referred to as the law of attraction. Thoughts and feelings create your reality. If you think bad thoughts, bad things will happen. Think good thoughts, good things will happen. Essentially, your beliefs shape your life. Now, we can all agree that we can think bad thoughts and good things happen. The reverse also. But when your thoughts and actions are good, good things happen. The reverse is also true. When thought and action are on one accord, reality changes. Now in dancehall, since its inception, there has always been talk of belief. Belief in God, man, a dream, and in a vision of the future. Ways in which dancehall artists attract the future they want generally fall under two categories: believing in a vision or believing in God. Since Jamaica is a mostly Christian country, most artists believe that God will grant them what they want, even if it's the wrong thing, after being faithful to Him or going through trials and tribulations. On the other hand, there are those that believe in themselves through sheer hard work and perseverance. The thing about the law of attraction is you only attract what you want through hard work and belief. If the law of attraction was articulated in a single song, it would be Vision by Nation Boss. He encapsulates perfectly what it means to attract what you want into reality. Not speaking too much about his plan and what he has saw in his vision, but working towards it and creating the reality he has always dreamt of. In his chorus, he repeatedly proclaims his method of creation, having a vision.
Vision, 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 vision. Tell mommy it won't be long until the whole world has a man. Gifted we are beyond brilliant.
Through belief in yourself and a higher power, you can accomplish anything in the world. As a man thinketh, so is he.